Hello and welcome to today's video. We will be learning how to download, install, and run CryptoTab all on your PC. Now, note this program is absolutely free on PC, but if you want to download it for Android, you have to spend a little bit of money. But it is worth it. So first what you're going to want to do is go over to your browser. And then you're going to want to go to crypto browser.site. Alright, so cryptobrowser.site is asking you to show notifications. You want to allow that. So obviously this is the world's first browser with mining features. Now the referral link will be down in the description. So you can literally earn while surfing the web. Okay, so you could use Cloud Boost feature on this. So it's quote unquote the fastest built-in mining algorithm, but I just want to state clearly that this does not actually mine Bitcoin, but it mines Monero XMR and then it converts it to Bitcoin. It trades it for Bitcoin automatically. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to go to download, and you're going to want to go to CT browser setup and save. Okay, so obviously you have the program on your computer. Obviously my firewall says it's safe. So you're going to want to press install CryptoTab, accept. I'm just going to set my default search engine to CryptoTab. You could set it to whatever you want, but it's a good idea to use a browser if you want to earn more. Just wait for it to load. Okay, so you're going to want to press finish. Okay, so you just installed CryptoTab, or I just did. Obviously, what I'm going to want to do is log in. Now, I already downloaded this program, so I already have it logged in and everything. But if you want to earn more on your cryptocurrency, if you want to earn more on your Bitcoin, you're going to want to go down to your referral link, and you're going to want to share personal link or copy link. Now you're going to want to copy or share the personal link with whoever you're trying to share it with. Now whoever clicks on this link, when they download the app through your link or the application or the program, you will get a cut of their Bitcoin, and they will be added to your mining network. Now this is how much Bitcoin I have right now. Now to withdraw, you need at least 0.00001 Bitcoin. Now I have about a tenth of that, and I got that out of mining for about, I'd say about 24 hours, and that is without any referrals. Um, I guess that concludes today's video. Hit the subscribe button. Leave a comment down in the description or down in the comments section, and I will give you a shout out. And make sure you click my referral link. Alright, see you in the next video.